Hey YouTube, it's Casual Brews back with another craft beer review. My seventh one so far of the series. Gonna be branching out a little bit again this time. Trying to do something a little different. Obviously, I love my IPAs, and trying to branch out a little bit and try different beers, different flavors, different hops, etc. So today I'm gonna be reviewing from Phillips Brewing. Well-known brewery in Victoria. The Winter Staycation Tropical Stout. No idea what to expect. During the past, I haven't really given stouts, porters, etc., darker beers much of a shot, but I've started to like a few of the ones that I've tried lately, so we'll keep this train rolling and give this one a try. I don't know. Tropical Stout may not even be that dark of a beer. I have no idea. But yeah, Phillips Brewing obviously doesn't need really any introduction. They make a lot of good, well-known beer. You can find it at every liquor store around the province. So yeah, thought I'd give one a try. It was a single can. I just saw at the checkout line when I was buying some other beer. So we'll give it a shot. Smells very, a lot of coffee aroma. I guess it's right here, dry coffee, roasted barley. Adds pineapple and orchard flavors. So I'm thinking it's going to be like a, your typical coffee stout, but with like a bit of like a tropical citrus taste. So this should be an adventure. Let's see. Okay, it's not too dark, but it has quite a lot. It has the foam you'll find in like a typical stout. It's not crazy dark, but it's almost like an amber color, but smells like a real dark porter or stout. A big foam head on it too. Kind of like the name Winter Staycation, obviously a play on fucking COVID and having to stay in and all that stuff. So kind of neat design on the can. I'm not sure if they make 4 packs of this or whatever, if they offer it in their tasting room, but I'd seen it a couple times and I thought I would give it a shot. So here it is. I'm just gonna let this foam settle down a little bit. Again, like most dark beers, like heavy coffee stout beers, the foam definitely rises real fast and stays quite some time. So let it settle for a quick second and then I'll give her a go here. Cleanse the palate. I had an IPA before this, so which I'm not going to review because honestly I wasn't a big fan of it. I was going to review it, but then I was like, I was kind of tired. I didn't want to do a review, and I'm glad I didn't because I wasn't a big fan of it anyway. It's quite smooth. Definitely that coffee taste, and I really can taste the citrus kind of. It's a good balance, because I don't. It's strange because I drink coffee like it's crack. I have 4 or 5 cups a day. My caffeine tolerance is so high, but at the same time, I don't really like the taste of coffee when it comes to like in other drinks, like whether it be beer or like whatever. Like, but this, even though this does have a coffee taste, it has a good balance of that citrus that makes it pretty easy to drink. See, I don't really love the real strong coffee tasting porters and stouts, but this has got a weird. It's very definitely. I can see how it's called a tropical stout because like it tastes like I'm drinking like a super juicy IPA, and at the same time you get like 2 different flavors punching each other back and forth. Like the coffee from the stout, the citrus from like you're like a juicy IPA or something. Definitely good. You see, good winter drink, a good like winter type ale, something to, you know, have when you're sitting inside and it's freezing cold out. Yeah, it's better than I expected, to be honest. Yeah, I thought, I mean, I just wanted to try it, just to say I tried something different. Didn't expect to really like it that much, you know, but it's solid. It's solid. Like it's, again, not something I could drink a whole, like, you know, I couldn't just crush a 4 pack of these tall cans like I could have good IPA, but it's just the flavor is quite strong. Like I don't, you know, if I'm drinking like a strong, like a stout or anything like strong, I like to keep it to 1 or 2, right? Because it's just gets overwhelming. But yeah, this is good. This is quite good. I'm very pleasantly surprised. The more I drink it, it kind of the flavor bounces over to more like even more of the tropical, less of the coffee taste. Maybe because your palate gets kind of used to that coffee, but that tropical keeps hitting you, and it's good. That's what I like that flavor. So I like this. It's good. I'm feeling I'm gonna go all the way to go 8.1, 8.1 on the Winter Staycation Tropical Stout. Yeah, I like it. It was solid. It's really good. So yeah, that's a review. So we'll be back. Probably go back to the roots on the next one. Maybe I'll do one more like dark beer review just to keep the things mixed up. Or maybe I'll probably do an IPA next and then a dark beer after that because there's one more dark beer I've been wanting to review, but I haven't got a chance to. I still have it in my fridge. We get to it maybe tomorrow night or something like that, or the next night. But yeah. So Phillips Brewing, Victoria, BC. Find plenty of their beers at every single liquor store in the province. You know, you got the White Unicorn one that's really good. They got a lot of different ones. Yeah, so Phillips Brewing Winter Staycation Tropical Stout, and that's a review.